Okay, hello, we're in Bukhara today, and now we're gonna walk around and tour a lot of tourist sites. We're at a mosque right now, one of the most famous ones here in a big square. Well, it is the hottest part of the day here in Bukhara, and we've been touring a lot of mosques like the one behind me in the beautiful old town. We'll continue to look at various things like this carpet factory, which Mike referred to as a co-working spot. And now we're continuing to explore and look in different areas. Oh, this one too was a carpet museum, where inside they had many, many old carpets that we got to look at closely and just walk around in the shade. And then at night, the city was lit up like a dream. That's one day
in Bukhara, Uzbekistan.